Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Alex here. We've got a little bit of a problem with our CHP2. It's not running at full power because the gas booster is not generating enough pressure. So we're going to have a little go at taking it off, getting it repaired tomorrow, and hopefully refitting it. A new one from Utah Engineering, which is just around the corner, which is super fortunate, as there's always spares, but we're very lucky that they are literally 5 minutes away down the road, so that's just fantastic for once. Right, so just here at Utah Engineering to pick up a new gas booster for our second CHP, which has been running for about 10 years, and it needs to be changed over because the little vanes have completely given up on it.
Sort of the original one, it was what they call a low discharge, so we've had it moved so it's in the right place.
Okay, great, thank you.
And there's a couple of gaskets for it there as
well. Okay, they just go on these ends here.
Yeah, one there and one on there.
The other one on the other side.
Yeah.
Right, okay, that should be all right. So we'll take our old one off and come back with the old one and
put
this one in place, if that's all right.
Yeah, because we refurb them, that's why we get a better price really than the new one. So.
Yeah, exactly. You've got plenty of stock in here, haven't you? Lots of different sizes.
Yeah, we're a bit low on stock, but
these are big ones, aren't they?
Yeah, these are customer ones.
Yeah. These are all the gas mixing that we use in our tank, actually, isn't it?
Yeah, so these ones are repairs that have been, well, they've all been assembled, so they're going off paint and test.
Yeah.
These are ones that are done.
Yeah.
This is where we normally keep like your stock.
I see. Yeah, this is where the the twos and the threes and the fours. Yeah, you didn't have any threes. You got plenty of twos and fours, haven't you?
Yeah.
What's this size for? Is this what CHP size is that? Just smaller than ours, I suppose, probably 80 kilowatts or something, is it?
The stages we have.
Yeah.
So this is a single.
Oh, I see. Yeah, and that's you got four and double
Yours
and
is a three. So
right. So
ran out.
And what are this? And then the stages just mean you've got more coils in it to
that's right,
to
more
boost
fans
up.
to increase the amount of flow.
All right. I see. That's cool. Yeah. Awesome. All right.
Yeah, and then obviously all the smaller compressors. So.
Yeah. All the compressors there. Great stuff.
And this is all work in progress.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, well, it seems a little bit quiet, but people are.
Yeah, but everyone's out on site.
Oh, I see. Right. Yeah, you're busy.
Yeah. Getting cleared up for Christmas.
Oh, we're very lucky to have you around the corner, actually, from us.
Yeah.
You know, if we were up in Scotland, it'd be a bit of a drive to get this.
Unfortunately, the lads have to go.
So, guys, there's the old gas booster. New one there. Sound. This one got changed not so long ago. We'll just have a look at the gas pressure inside CHP2. Yeah, she's running at 1.4. She should be up about 10 or something. So when overnight, through the day we can run at 120, but at night we've got to drop it to 90, so that's just losing money. So that's not so good. That's the gas pressure there, that's where it should be. Underneath we've got a whole load of problems with our header, which is starting to give up, so all these pipes here having to be changed over. Had a fix in yesterday on one of these, but it's just still quite leaking, so the guys are just tightening it up. So we're going to have to change all of this because they used mild steel on this rather than stainless, and it's all corroding now after 10 years of operation. So to make it last another 10 years for the project, we've got to basically change all this header out. We can probably keep the low loss header up there, the rest of it's got to go. Okay, just going to do the start cycle. New gas booster's been put on now. Let's have a look. All right, up to 12. That's what we want. It's cranking. There she goes. Let's go outside. Oh, look at that. Lovely jubbly. Beautiful. Here's the old one, ready to go back and get repaired. It's got quite a grindy sound to it, so that was obviously the problem. Anyway, there we are. Guys, we're just going to change over the cap on the CHP funnel, which is worn away. And the other night the engine went down because too much water came in, and the pump failed basically because the oil pump, which is putting oil into the engine, actually failed because so much water came down. And we had a look at it, and it's all worn away up there. So we're going to go over and change that sealing around the exhaust funnel. So that's our next job. Just there, the silicone sort of giving up the ghost, and it's leaking into the engine. Yeah, we just need to take that cap off if you can. It should just slide off if you give it a bit of a wobble.
No, it's a little ring on there.
Yeah, it's a little ring, but I don't think it's held on tight.
Ah, it's a...
So that's the new one there. Feel the heat coming out of that exhaust and the moisture. Steaming up the camera face. Oil is running as well. Gun to seal it with the silicone there. That's good. Okay guys, I'm just up here at the wood chip dryer. My heat meter here is showing an error code. It's actually coming up with 400 now because I've just disconnected it out of this box here. Error 1 means the hot water probe, which I take it is this one because it's got a little red label on it, is not functioning right. So I'm going to disconnect this from inside there and put a new cable in and see if I can get it working. Oh, that's the plan. Okay, so I always like to keep a fair few supplies and spares. Let's see from this box here. Yeah, here we go. Spare heat meter probes. These things always seem to take about a month to arrive, which is a month's worth of RHI loss, so it's always good to have spares on the shelf. Back up we go. Okay guys, so I put that in. This is what I took out, put back in. It's now going up the side, then back in. The error code is not reading anymore, so that'll keep reading our meters. Okay guys, you might have remembered last year we did some poplar felling. We had a crane and a winch and pulling down big poplar that was along this line here. Well, I'm super chuffed because today they've just planted all the cricket bat willows that we're doing. We've actually created out a bigger space here, and don't know whether you can see on the camera, you can just see these rows. They've done a nice job just putting in nice straight lines. It's a real boggy site here. You see the standing water, so we're just hoping that this is really going to suit the cricket bat willows, and you know, that will work nice, and maybe in 10 years or whatever we'll have a thinning out of there. So that's just really good to see that happening. It's just what we wanted to see basically, and yeah, so there we are.